Professor Tammy here, exploring types of research, methods and applications, understanding diverse research methods and their uses. The agenda items, I will go over qualitative research, quantitative research, mixed methods research, experimental research, descriptive research, and historical research. Qualitative research. Characteristics and purpose. Qualitative research offers in-depth exploration. Qualitative research seeks to deeply explore phenomena, providing rich insights into human experiences and perspectives, catching those nuances in everyday life. Subjective experiences. The focus on subjective experiences in qualitative research allows researchers to understand how individuals perceive and interpret their world. Context and meaning is provided by qualitative research with an emphasis on the importance of context and meaning and understanding the complexity of human behavior. Some common qualitative methods include interviews, which are a key method used to gather in-depth information through direct interaction with participants. Focus groups are a common way to collect information using qualitative methods. Focus groups involve guided discussions among a group of participants, providing diverse perspectives on any given topic. Ethnography is a method where researchers immerse themselves in a community to understand its culture and practices. Content analysis is used to analyze qualitative data from various sources, providing insights into communication patterns, which is what I used in grad school. Strengths and limitations of qualitative. Depth of insight. Qualitative research provides deep insights into participant experiences, capturing complex emotions and motivations that quantitative methods just cannot. This is a huge strength of qualitative research. Qualitative offers flexibility in research. Qualitative research methods allow for flexibility, enabling researchers to adapt their approach as new information emerges during the study. Let's go over limitations. Limitation of qualitative research is generalizability is hampered. A key limitation of qualitative research is its challenges in generalizing findings to broader populations due to smaller sample sizes. Another limitation of qualitative, researcher bias. Qualitative research may be influenced by researcher bias, which can affect data interpretation and participant responses. Let's go over quantitative research. Characteristics and purpose of quantitative research. Quantifying problems, which focuses on measurable data to understand their prevalence. Identifying patterns by analyzing measurable data. Researchers can identify patterns that lead to objective conclusions. Objective conclusions is another characteristic of quantitative research and allows for the formation of objective conclusions based on statistical analysis of data. I prefer qualitative methods over quantitative because I am just not a numbers person. Some common quantitative methods include surveys, which are used to gather data from a specified group. They help researchers understand opinions and behaviors. Experiments allow researchers to test hypotheses by manipulating variables in a controlled environment. They provide strong evidence for cause and effect relationships. Observational studies involve collecting data without manipulation, allowing researchers to observe real-world behaviors and conditions. Strengths and limitations. The strengths of quantitative research is the ability to generalize findings across larger populations and provides robust statistical analysis. Limitations of quantitative research is its lack of depth, which can lead to oversimplification of complex social phenomena. Mixed methods research. Mixed methods research combines qualitative and quantitative data collection and analysis for a comprehensive understanding of research problems. Triangulation of findings provides rationale behind mixed methods to triangulate, which enhances the validity and reliability of the research results. Integrating qualitative and quantitative data. Stages of data integration can happen during design, collection, and analysis phases, enriching the research process. Understanding research questions. Combining qualitative and quantitative data enhances understanding of complex research questions and issues. Complex issues analysis is the integration of different data types, which leads to comprehensive analysis of complex issues in research. I need a sip of Gatorade. Applications and benefits of mixed methods. Health research. In health research, mixed methods provide a comprehensive understanding of patient experiences along with statistical data. Education studies. In education, mixed methods allow for an analysis of student performance data alongside qualitative feedback from students and teachers. In the social sciences, mixed methods help researchers explore complex social phenomena through both numerical data and personal narratives. For this class, we will focus on health research. All right, moving on to experimental research. The design and structure, and this is all regarding experimental research. Control and experimental groups, which defines control and experimental groups, is crucial for valid experimental research outcomes. Control groups allow comparisons to assess the effect of treatments. Experimental research establishes conditions for the experiment, which helps ensure that it can be replicated and that the results are both reliable and valid. Variables, manipulation, and measurement can be manipulated and measured and is essential to understand the effects of different treatments on the subjects. So within experimental research, variables can be manipulated and measured. All right, control and variables. Controlling variables ensures that the results of an experiment are valid and reliable, attributing changes solely to the manipulated variable. Understanding different types of variables, including independent, dependent, and confounding, is essential for proper experimental design. Independent variables are manipulated to observe their effect on dependent variables, which are measured in an experiment. applications in various fields, psychological research. Experimental research in psychology helps test theories about human behavior and mental processes through controlled studies. Medical research in medicine, experimental research is crucial for developing treatments and validating medical hypotheses through clinical trials. Education research employs experimental methods to evaluate teaching techniques and their effectiveness in learning outcomes. And again, for this class, we will be focusing on medical research. Now let's go over descriptive research. Descriptive research aims to systematically describe the attributes of a population or phenomenon, providing essential insights. Observational data collection is a key characteristic of descriptive research, ensuring rich and detailed information. Descriptive research requires a detail-oriented analysis to accurately interpret and present the collected data. For practical reasons, in our class this semester, you will be focusing on descriptive research for your final paper. Just as a heads up, in case you haven't already figured it out. Okay, so within descriptive research methods, common techniques and tools. Descriptive research techniques encompass surveys, case studies, and observational methods to gather data effectively. Various tools are used for data collection, including questionnaires and digital observation methods to improve accuracy and efficiency. Everything that you use for your final paper will come from secondary sources. You will not be doing the research yourself. There isn't time in 7 weeks. All right, examples and applications, market research. Descriptive research is widely used in market research to gather consumer insights and trends without influencing the variables. Social science studies and social sciences. Descriptive research helps understand societal behaviors and dynamics, providing a clear picture of social issues. Health assessments. Descriptive research is crucial in health assessments to evaluate public health trends and identify health needs in populations. Again, for this class, the focus will be on health assessments. All right, moving on to historical research. Purpose and characteristics. Historical research aims to document significant past events, providing a detailed account of what transpired. Analyzing context. Analyzing past events helps to provide context for present situations, aiding understanding of current issues. Historical research relies on both primary and secondary sources to gather accurate information. Sources and methods. Key sources for historical research include documents, artifacts, interviews, and archival materials that provide valuable insights. The methodology involves critical analysis of sources to construct accurate and compelling historical narratives. Significance and applications. Historical research helps inform current issues by providing insights from past events, trends, and decisions. Research in history plays a vital role in preserving and protecting cultural heritage for future generations. Historical research allows for the analysis of long-term trends, helping to understand societal changes over time. And historical research has applications in diverse fields such as sociology, anthropology, and education, enriching these disciplines. In conclusion, qualitative research focuses on understanding phenomena through detailed descriptions and interpretations, capturing the richness of the human experience. Quantitative research involves numerical data and statistical analysis to test hypotheses and establish patterns or correlations. Mixed methods research combines qualitative and quantitative approaches, providing a comprehensive understanding of research questions. Experimental research tests hypotheses through controlled experiments, allowing researchers to determine cause and effect relationships. Descriptive research aims to systematically describe the attributes of a population or phenomenon, providing essential insights. Historical research pursues to document significant past events, providing a detailed account of what transpired. I would be interested in tracing the history of how people treat mental illness. If you aren't aware of how people were historically treated when they were mentally ill, I think you would be shocked.